Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device type and OS version so you apply the right steps. Next, open Settings and immediately check Do Not Disturb, Focus Modes, and App Notification Permissions. Turn them off and on to refresh rules. Once done, force restart the system UI or reboot the phone. This clears transient crashes. Make sure to watch the status bar during reboot. If icons return, you've resolved a common glitch. If not, proceed to deeper settings adjustments now. You now dig into system-level adjustments. Go to each affected app and reset its notification settings, toggling priority, sound, and badges so rules reload. Then, clear cache and storage for System UI or the Notification Manager. This eliminates corrupted temp files. Once done, check for OS updates and install them to patch known bugs. Updates often fix notification services. If widgets or third-party launchers interfere, temporarily disable them to finish by verifying results. If the bar remains missing after resets and updates, back up your data and perform a factory reset or reflash official firmware. This restores system components. Make sure to re-enable notifications methodically so you can spot the change. If you prefer a safer test first, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are the culprit. If the bar returns in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. One key troubleshooting tip: always test safe mode before wiping the device. It often isolates the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.